Alright, just a quick help tutorial on how to get your photos into a Google Slide. There's a couple different ways you can do it. And the first way, well, either way, you're going to start up at the Insert button on your Google Slide. Go to Insert, then Image, and then click Upload from Computer. When you click that, so this way, you can go and you can find, so I'm using a new computer, so I don't have any photos to upload, but you could go to your Pictures folder and upload photos from there. So then I just click Open, it would upload a photo, and we have that there. Another way, and this might be, nope, I can do it here. So you can scroll down and use Camera. If I click Camera, let's see if it'll do it while I'm also recording a screencast. Yep, so it's going to ask for permissions up here. I'm going to allow it to use my camera. Yeah, so right now, because I'm also recording this tutorial, it's not going to let me show me my camera option, but that is another way you could take a picture of your artwork. So you could have, click Insert Camera, and then this screen will pop up. It'll give you your camera. You can hold up your artwork, take a picture, and then insert into your Google Slide. Hopefully that is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions.